Nashville. For your consideration, this is a 2015 Kenworth T680, powered by a Paccar MX-13 455 horsepower engine. Coupled to a 10-speed Eaton Fuller transmission, and sits atop a Kenworth AG400L Air suspension. Inside, you'll find a vintage gray interior, a 14-gauge package, high-back air ride seats, paired with ComfortPro APUs, and a Bendix collision mitigation system to improve safety. In the back, you'll find a 76-inch double bunk raised roof sleeper.
Get your hands on this truck today at MHC Kenworth Nashville. We're ready to roll with you.